Good day, viewers. My name is Mrs. Grace Mohammed, a teacher of Nigeria Korean Model School, a junior secondary school in Nigeria, Abuja, Nigeria. I am presenting a topic titled Developing and Using Multimedia-Based Supplementary Teaching Materials for Model Education. First of all, I would like to start with the definition or meaning of multimedia. Multimedia simply means a combination of text, video, sound, graphics, and animation, while supplementary simply means support. In essence, multimedia-based supplementary teaching material means combining text, video, sound, graphic to create interactive digital, all these are interactive digital tools to tell a story, and the telling of this story is also known as digital storytelling. We have types of multimedia materials. Number one, text and graphics. Text and graphics come in form of slideshows, presentations. For example, I used these slideshows. These very ones you're seeing were done using presentations on PowerPoint. And then we have diagrams and then infographics. And then audio, another one is audio. Audio comes in form of podcasts and recordings on CDs, DVDs, and the likes. We also have video formats. Video comes in form of screenshots, screen captures, lecture captures, and animations. Now, the role of multimedia supplementary teaching material in my subject, which is business studies. It helps in clarifying, number one, it helps in clarifying ideas and communication of information when presenting different drawings and pictures. For example, when I presented it in class, if I had just given out the pictures without clarifying each picture, explaining each picture with the text, the students wouldn't have understood what I was even showing them. The topic here was types of offices, and we had small, medium, and large offices. So I had to explain to them with each picture how a small office is. And then another one, moving easily from a presented subject matter to another provides a good chance for questions and discussions to be made by the students. And then multimedia-based teaching materials also form a part of amusement. It comprises of forms a part of amusement. When used, at times you can use cartoon animations, which children like seeing. Children like cartoon. So when you use what they like, they tend to understand and even enjoy it more. Then they provide teachers with a new educational style and encourage curiosity among the students. Each time I make a presentation in class in each topic I want to teach, the students are always curious. From time to time, in the next lesson when I come into the class, they'll want to know what I have brought, the next thing I have done on my presentations. They guide learners to peer learning. They provide feedback simultaneously. At the same time, they provide feedback. Then they support the user's work. They support we, the teachers, using it. They support our work and innovation, which makes the possession of computers If you don't have a system, you will not be able to do this work. Even the learners too will not be able to learn well. At times, learners also need to be provided with a system. Advantages of using multimedia-based teaching materials. Number one, it helps in concept development by learners in a variety of ways to meet individual learning needs. Number two, it takes advantage of the brain's ability to make connections between verbal and visual representations of content, leading to deeper understanding. Number three, the use of text, videos, sound, graphics, and animation stimulates the brain, which makes students more attentive, and also it helps them to retain whatever you have taught them. Then it also impacts students' morale positively in the learning process, which makes them more proactive in class. And this is what every teacher will want to happen in their class: proactivity in the class by the learners. In conclusion, the use of multimedia in classroom allows educational ideas and material to be presented in a more artistic, inspired, and engaging way. Thank you for listening.